Hi to everyone. This is Dr. B.K.Parrthipan working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. In a subject Theory of Machines, today we are going to discuss an important topic, Kinematics of cam mechanism. Let us start with the definition of cam and follower. Cam is a mechanical component of a machine that is used to transmit a motion to the another component called follower through a prescribed motion by means of direct contact. And the cam follower setup is generally used to convert a rotary motion into a reciprocating motion or a oscillating motion. And this setup consists of three important components, that is the cam, follower, and the third one is frame. The function of the frame is to mount the cam follower setup. Right. The various applications of cam follower setups are highly used in textile machineries, printing machines, food processing machines, and IC engines. In case of IC engines, it is used for automatic opening and closing of valves, the inlet valve and the exhaust valve. Now, let us discuss the classification of cam. The cam can be classified based on the follower motion as radial cam or cylindrical cam. In case of a radial cam, the follower reciprocates in the direction that is perpendicular to the cam axis. Let us consider this is a cam, over a cam we are going to have a follower. Here the motion is likely to be a perpendicular one. While in case of the cylindrical cam, the follower reciprocates or oscillates in a direction parallel to the cam axis. So, this is the very basic difference between a radial cam and a cylindrical cam. Now, let us classify the various types of follower. The follower is broadly classified into two aspects. The first one is based on the shape and the second one is based on the line of movement or motion. Now, let us discuss one by one. Based on the shape, the follower is broadly classified into four types. First one is knife edge, second one is roller follower, third one is flat face follower, and the fourth one is spherical face follower. Closely observe the contact between the cam and follower. So, this is the cam, this is the follower. In case of a knife edge follower, the contact will be as a knife edge, whereas in case of the roller follower, here we are going to have a roller. This roller is in contact with the cam. The third type is known as flat face or mushroom. Here it is going to have a flat plate like structure. And the last one is spherical follower. Here the spherical follower, the shape is likely to be a spherical shape. It is half of the roller follower. And this is classification based on the shape. Now, let us see the animations of various follower. So, this is the knife edge follower. Here the contact is knife edge. The second one is roller. Here the follower is of roller type. The third one is flat face. Right. Now, based on the location of line of movement, the follower is classified into two types. First one is radial, second one is offset. Here the axis of the follower. So, let us consider this is the two parts, cam, this is follower. The cam is having its axis here. The follower is having the axis here. Both are lie in the same line. So, this type is known as radial. In case of the offset follower, the both is separated by a certain distance. That distance is known as offset. Here, this is the center point of the cam. So, here it is having its midpoint, whereas in case of the follower is perpendicular axis is this point. Here there will be a certain distance. In this case, both the axes are lie in the same plane, but in this case the axis is now move at a certain distance, that is nothing but a offset distance. So, this type is known as offset follower. Now, we are going into the very important topic, various terminologies used in CAM. So, these are the various terminologies. Now, let us discuss one by one. First one is the base circle. If you want to construct a CAM means, we have to draw the minimum radius circle that represents the base circle, that is the smallest circle that can be drawn to the CAM profile. The second one is trace point. Trace point is nothing but a point where we are going to locate the follower. Various trace points are connected to form a pitch curve. Now, first let us define the trace point. So, it is a reference point on the follower and is used to generate the pitch curve. For various types of follower, the trace point is going to be vary. Let us, in case of a knife edge follower, it represents, the trace point represents the pitch curve corresponds to the CAM profile that will be exhibited at the same point. In case of the roller follower, it is separated by the roller radius. So, this is the basically a difference in case of a trace point between knife edge and roller. The third point is pressure angle. Pressure angle is nothing but the angle between the direction of the follower motion and a normal to the pitch point or pitch curve. And this angle is very important in designing the CAM profile. If the pressure angle is too high, there will be a chances for jamming in the bearings arrangement. So, it should be in a corresponding level. The fourth one is the pitch point. So, if you want to join all the pitch points, then you will have a pitch curve. So, pitch point represents the point at which maximum pressure angle occurs. The next one is pitch circle. We have to connect all the pitch circle, then it will forms a pitch circle. The next one is pitch curve. Pitch curve is nothing but the curve generated by all the trace points. Say if I actually define, this is the trace point, we have to connect all the trace point, then it will be known as pitch curve. For example, in case of a knife edge follower, the pitch curve and the CAM profile are the same, but in case of the roller follower, they are separated by the distance of the roller, that is nothing but the radius of the roller. The next one is prime circle. Prime circle is nothing but a smaller circle that can be drawn from the center of the CAM and tangent to the pitch curve. For example, for a knife edge and a flat face follower, the prime circle and the base circle are same, but in case of a roller follower, the prime circle is larger than the base circle is separated by the distance of roller. The next one is lift or stroke. The lift or stroke represents the maximum distance travelled by the follower from the lower point to the highermost point. I hope you all enjoyed the concept of kinematics of CAM. Thank you for watching.